Let's decorate for Halloween with removable vinyl. Did you know that when you use removable vinyl, you don't have to worry about it damaging your drywall when you go to take it down? That's why it's perfect for decorating. I cut some shapes that kind of look like holes and cracks in the wall, and then weeded the vinyl and applied the designs to various corners of my house. I even added some spooky eyes with glow-in-the-dark permanent vinyl. You can get your vinyl at mycraftsource.com. And remember to use coupon code ShawnMosh to save 5%. And if you like these designs, I have them for sale in my Etsy shop. Happy Halloween!